1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This is one of the most beautiful examples out there, in my opinion. This vehicle has just 1,000 original miles, and it is just excellent in just about every way. White with the red stripes, dark burgundy interior, just gorgeous. And 90 wheels. These are basically brand new, newer reproduction Eagle Goodyear GT tires. These were put on just in 2024 is the date code on them. Those were not cheap tires. They look the part for the car. The original set of wheels and tires comes with the car. These are a new wheel as well. Interior is absolutely stunning. It's like stepping back in time. Barely been sat in. The foot, feet, pedals, barely used. Steering wheel, virtually no wear. The dash, perfect condition. Console. We'll fire it up here for you. $1,053 original miles showing on the odometer. Very, very tight. Engine sounds awesome. Original radio. Shifter is really tight. And the best part is you got the indicator on the dash. Works flawlessly. I'll show you the windows. Up and down like you would expect. Not going to put this one all the way down because it's got a copy of the Windows sticker on it. We'll just go down a little bit. I'll show you that here in a minute too. SS on the steering wheel. Does have factory AC, of course.
Only honking up because you're over 3.
Radio works as expected. This car has a ton of original paperwork with it. You can find it in our photo gallery. You can find that in the link in the description of this video. All right, check it out under the hood here, guys. Super pristine. See all of our emission equipment, everything. Just looks awesome. High output 305 small block Chevy V8 engine. Does have R134A on the AC system. That's one thing that's been changed. It just doesn't get cleaner than this under the hood. Looks brand spanking new, like you'd expect for 1,000 miles. Close the hood. Paint and body, just like the day it left the factory. Excellent condition. This is believed to be all original paint. We don't see any reason why it would have been repainted. dash just in such good shape on this vehicle. Can't stress how clean and immaculate this velour interior is. Door closes nice. Got the window sticker here. $16,237 back in 1987. Delivered to Moore Chevrolet. This car is built in Pontiac, Michigan. We think these are factory runs from the factory down here. They use more of a textured paint on the bottom of the rockers. GM did not have great quality on their cars in the 80s. The car is just beautiful in every way you cut it. It's like brand new, like it just came out of the factory. If you're interested in this 1,000-mile Monte Carlo SS 1987, please scroll down, go to our website. You can find our full high-resolution photo gallery, including pictures of the undercarriage. You can see how clean it is under there. The exhaust, everything looks brand new. And if you'd like to know the asking price, you'll be able to find it on the website as well. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate. Give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.